In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync Brave browser across your devices. By the end, you'll have Brave Sync set up so your selected data, like bookmarks, history, passwords, and more, stays consistent between your devices. First, set up Sync on your first device. Open Brave browser. Click the menu icon in the top right corner. Then click Settings. In the left sidebar, select Sync. On the Sync page, click Start using Sync. When prompted, choose New Sync Chain to create a fresh sync group for your devices. Now choose the data you want to sync. You'll see categories such as bookmarks, history, saved passwords, open tabs, extensions, and more. Turn on only what you need. This lets you control exactly what moves between devices. If you're unsure, you can start with bookmarks and passwords and add more later. Once that's set, Brave will display your sync code. This is a private code that allows another device to join your sync chain. Copy the code carefully or save it somewhere secure so you can access it on your other device. Treat this like a password and don't share it publicly. If Brave shows a QR code, you can use that on a device with a camera, but the text code works on any device. Keep this screen open or make sure you've saved the code before moving on. Next, add another device to the same sync chain. On your second device, open Brave browser. Click the menu icon, go to Settings, then click Sync. Click Start using Sync. Choose I have a sync code. Here you can enter the code manually or scan it. If you're entering it by hand, type the words in the exact order shown, with correct spelling and spacing. If you have the QR code available and a camera on this device, choose the scan option and hold the code in view until it's recognized. After the code is entered or scanned, choose the data you want to sync on this second device. Match the categories you enabled on the first device if you want everything to mirror, or select only what you need here. This gives you flexibility across different devices. At this point, both devices are connected to the same Brave sync chain. Brave begins syncing in the background. Changes you make to the data you selected, like adding a bookmark or updating a saved password, will start to appear on the other device. Give it a moment if you have a lot of data. Syncing speed depends on your connection and the size of your information. Keep both devices online and Brave open while the initial sync completes. If you ever need to reference the sync code again for another device, return to Settings, then Sync on your first device and view the code from there. Remember to keep the code private to protect your data. If you prefer to adjust what's being synced, you can revisit the data selection screen on either device and change the toggles. Only the categories you enable will continue to sync. That's it. You've successfully set up Brave Sync and connected your devices using a new sync chain and your sync code. And your selected data is now syncing across your devices. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.